Welcome to another episode of Nagarro Nuggets. I'm Katrin Heiderer, and today we are diving into a hot topic that's buzzing in tech world, the role of AI in software development. Everywhere we look, there's talk about generative AI and how it's revolutionizing industries by making everything quicker and seemingly smarter. But there's a critical aspect that's often glossed over. GitHub Copilot promises up to 55% increase in speed when using the coding supporting tool, which would cut your time in half. But after the hypes, there is the mostly not so nice awakening. Recent studies have shown a not so optimistic trends because instead of the appraised increase of our code quality, they can see a decrease now. And this has a number of reasons. For example, a higher proportion of copy-pasted code, a decrease in moved code, but also an increase in code churns. At Nagarro, amidst all this AI hype, we are choosing a different path. Our priority is not only to maintain the high quality of our code, but also maintain the high quality of our people. So we are not solely relying on AI tools because we know it yet can't identify poor patterns or weaknesses like a skilled developer can do. And what we as developers can do to still remain relevant is to improve our technical excellency, keep a continuous learning mindset, but also we can find ourselves in the coding community. There's a narrative out there that AI will one day replace all of us. But here's what I believe. AI won't replace you if you don't let it.